Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful mermaid step by step for kids and toddlers. Wow, awesome! Let's start drawing. The first thing I'm going to draw is mermaid hair. I'm going to paint the mermaid very carefully, so I started from the top. Now I'm taking all these curly hairlines. I'm doing it right here too, doing the same process over and over again. I will draw two eyes now, and this is the first eye. This is the second eye. This time, draw a beautiful face. I am drawing a hand fan now. Along with the brick, I'm also going to draw its body. And I'm drawing it hand and finger. We will take the mermaid's legs and immediately draw many more parts of it very beautifully, which we will like to see very much. Many curved lines of this mermaid, like this. This is the third hand fan that will be very beautiful, really, kids. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible.